Hey viewers, in this video we will discuss or compare Google Sheets, Excel and numbers. Watch the video till the end so you don't miss any important step about them. Let's get started. Google Sheets, Microsoft Excel and Apple Numbers are all robust spreadsheet tools, each designed to cater to different needs and user preferences. So, Google Sheet is widely recognized for its real-time collaboration capabilities, allowing multiple users to work on the same document from any device. Being cloud-based, it auto-saves your work and integrates seamlessly with other Google Workspace tools. While it is great for most typical spreadsheet tasks, it might struggle with large data sets or highly complex macros compared to Excel. On the other hand, Microsoft Excel is the industry leader, offering advanced features like pivot tables, data modeling, Power Query, and integrate formulas. It is perfect for professionals in finance, data analysis, and users who work with large datasets or require automation through VBA. While Excel has both desktop and cloud version, the full functionality is best experienced on the desktop version. Now we discuss Apple Numbers. On the other hand, it focuses on clean visual design and offers simple templates, making it ideal for casual users, especially those already within the Apple ecosystem. While it is great for basic calculation and personal financial tracking, it doesn't offer the same advanced features or compatibility as Excel or Google Sheet. To sum it up, use Google Sheets for collaboration, Excel for heavy data analysis and advanced features, and Numbers for aesthetically pleasing simple projects on Apple devices. That's it.